This is the ARTEMIS home screen, where there are two options, login as a worker user or login as a client user. Let's start with the customers. Upon entering the login, we can see a registration page that is linked to a Firebase database. Returning to the login, we will enter the ARTEMIS username and password. On the home page, we find the types of service provided divided into categories. Entering the menu, we find some options. First is the client's profile. It is possible to edit it. Setting page, we can see some functions, such as help, hiring history, and password recovery. On the chat page, it's possible to access some of the possible conversations between the client and server. On the location page, you can find the service location and see some information about them, such as her name and the service provided. Back to the home page, when we select one of the categories, we are redirected to a page containing a catalog of the closest servers. When clicking, we are directed to the server's profile, which contains the status of her agenda, her personal data, and evaluations left by her clients. By pressing the chat button, we access the conversation with the server. That is me sending a hello message in Portuguese. Returning to the home page, we can see a prototype of the security button. Now, we can exit and return to the initial page, where we will access the application from the server's perspective. The login and logon pages are similar to the client's user. Upon entering, we can see on the home page a report of available service and clients. It is possible to access the chat with these clients by clicking on this button. On the same page, you can see the service in progress and mark them as completed. On the next page, it's possible to have a view of the chat. When accessing the profile, the server user can edit it, being able to change some things like her name and profile picture, as exemplified. This is done by using a local database from Tankable. Like the client's page, the application from the service perspective presents a configuration screen. This was our app. Thank you. Bye!